Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. Krishna is appearing in so many incarnations. Just try to understand what is the position of Krishna. He is situated as Paramatma in everyone's heart. Ishara sarvabhutanam riddese arjuna tisthati. And he is giving direction to everyone. And there are unlimited, innumerable living entities. So, he has to give instruction in different ways to so many living entities. How much busy he is. Just try to imagine. Still, his position is the same. Golokaeva nivasati akilatma bhuta. Golokaeva nivasati. Krishna is still in his own original place, Goloka Vrindavan, and he is enjoying in the company of Srimati Radharani. That business it is not the Mayavadi philosophy, because he has expanded himself in so many hearts of the living entities. That does not mean that he is finished in his own abode. No, still he is there. That is Krishna. Purnasya purnamadaya purnameva avasishyate. This is the Vedic information. Even here we have got material experience. If you have got 1 rupee, if you take 1 anna, then it is 15 annas. Or if you take 2 annas, it is 14 annas. If you take 16 annas, it becomes 0. But Krishna is not like that. He can expand himself. Unlimited forms. Still, the original Krishna is there. That is Krishna. We have got experience. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. But there in the spiritual world, that is called absolute. 1 minus millions times 1 minus is still the original 1 is 1. That is Krishna. Advaita, Achyuta, Anadi, Ananta Rupam. So that Krishna, you cannot understand Vedeshu simply by studying Vedic literature. Although the Vedas means, Vedanta means to understand Krishna. Vedaista sarvai ahameva Veda. But unfortunately, because we do not take the shelter of Krishna or his devotee, we cannot understand what is the purpose of Vedas. That will be explained in the 7th chapter. Maya sakta mana pratha. Maya sakta mana pratha yogam janjana madasraya. Madasraya. Asangsang samagram man jathagasyati tatsino. If you want to understand Krishna, asangsayam, without any doubt, and samagram, and in full, then you have to practice this yoga system. What is that? Yoga. Manmana bhava madbhakta madhyaji mang namaskuri. Madasa. Yogam. Yogam madasaya. Madasaya, this word is very significant. Mat means either you take directly, that is not very easy thing. Shelter of me. Or one who has taken shelter of me, you take shelter of. Just like there is electric powerhouse and there is a plug. That plug is connected with the electric powerhouse, and if you push your wire in the plug, you also get electricity. Similarly, as it is stated in the beginning of this chapter, Evam parampara pratam mimang rajasayo vidu. If you take shelter of the parampara system. The same example. If you take the shelter of the plug, which is connected with the powerhouse, you get immediately electricity. Similarly, if you take shelter of a person who is coming in the parampara system, there is a parampara system. Krishna, he instructed Lord Brahma. Lord Brahma instructed Narada. Narada instructed Vyasdev. Vyasdev instructed Madhyacharya. Madhyacharya instructed in so many ways. Then Madhavendra Puri. The Madhavendra Puri, Ishwar Puri. From Ishwar Puri, Lord Chaitanya. In this way there is a parampara system. There are 4 Vaishnava Sampradayas. The Rudra Sampradaya, Brahma Sampradaya, Kumar Sampradaya, and Lakshmi Sampradaya, Sri Sampradaya. So, Sampradaya Vihinaji Mantraste Vifalamata. If you do not receive instruction of Krishna from the Sampradaya, then Vifalamata. Then whatever you have learned, it is useless. It is useless. That is the defect. So many people are studying Bhagavad Gita, but they do not understand what is Krishna. Because they do not receive through the evam parampara praptam. The parampara, unless you go to the parampara, the same example, if you do not take electricity from the plug which is connected with the powerhouse, what is the use of your bulb and wire? It has no use. Therefore, how Krishna is expanding, it is Vedeshu Durlabha. If you simply have got academic knowledge, then it will not be possible. Vedeshu Durlabham Adurlabham Atma Bhakto. This is the statement of Brahma Samhita.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.